starter flex plate. Starter's chewed away the teeth on the flex plate.
So you can't get her started?
I cannot get her started.
Okay.
Fixin'. Everything always needs fixin'. Oh, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Yeah, we're busy in the shop. We've been busy ever since Memorial. But after the Saturday show and the trails cleared out a little bit, we did get flagged down for, well, I don't know, kind of a unique tow.
We can tow it back. Where do we need to go?
Green.
So they were camping down at Green Campground, but these weren't your average trail riders. This was a special truck and special people that came for the event.
Well, yeah, we're in Green Lot, but if you get it anywhere, I'll grab our trailer and bring it back up. We just need to get it out of here.
Well, is your trailer in green?
Yeah.
We'll just go over there.
Yeah, but I've got to go get it, hook it up and stuff. It's buried and all. And we're on like a hill. So
okay.
Even if you want to just bring it out here to where the parking lot.
Sure.
And then we'll run back and go grab the trailer and go back up here. I've got a winch on the trailer, so just winch it up.
Okay, we'll do that.
Yeah.
Yep.
You guys haven't figured it out yet. This is the driver of the Bentec Desert Race Truck. Bentec was sponsoring some of the event for the Minnesota Go Four Wheelers, and they had their desert race team travel from California here to Wisconsin to this event.
So these were our booth mates today, and they were out playing in the playground for all the fans, and yeah, brought her back, and we get to take her home.
Had the issue out there, we got it fixed to go do our last run, but can't get it back on the trailer now.
At least the fans are happy.
Exactly.
So what happened was after their last exhibition run on the racetrack with the race truck, they came back up to Spectator Hill, right beside our booth, where the truck had been parked most of the day. And after the crowd cleared out and everybody left, they went to start the truck to take it back down to their campsite. And guess what? Teeth in the flywheel were missing. It's a problem that they've been having for a little while. Haven't got around to fixing it yet. But it was in a spot where they just couldn't get it started. So, since we had to run up there to our booth anyway, they asked us if we could tow it out into the flat of the parking lot where they could get their trailer to it. As we were doing this, the loudspeakers were still playing background music from the show. It's incidental. I hope I don't get in trouble for it. Since the race truck was still in one piece and rolled, we decided we didn't need to pick it up with the wrecker boom. We'd just flat tow it out into the parking lot for them. Of course, these race trucks don't really have tow points on them. They're kind of like UTVs, just bars everywhere. So we wrapped a soft shackle around one of the bars.
Yep.
It's not stuck or anything. That should be plenty strong enough to tow it out into the parking lot. And I realized that race truck didn't even steer as sharp as the wrecker with a Dana 60 in it. It might have been easier to pick it up. I asked Steve about that, and he says, we don't need much steering. We use the throttle.
Probably the first one easy to pull out though.
your age, you can still be a virgin, Eric.
Well, all right, now you can get it on the trailer.
Yep.
And hope you guys had fun while you were there.
Absolutely, it was a total blast. Glad we made it all the way out from Southern California to go check out this, put on a little show for everyone, but had a great time out here this weekend.
Good, good. Sounds great. Go back and tell everybody in California what it's like here in the Midwest.
Absolutely. It's completely different than what we have down there.
Yes, it is.
So, awesome. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Hey guys, C Cover here. Look what we just got in our new swags on the store, available for everybody. BSF Recovery Team sweatpants. You might want to go get yours. Get hooked.
Yeah, Blake's been taking the Kawasaki apart here piece by piece and putting the BSF colors on it. Then we'll get some stickers and all that. We'll make it part of the BSF fleet. So after we chatted with Steve a little bit, they went and got their race trailer, loaded up their race truck. But that wasn't the last time we saw it. Later on that evening, we did what the club calls the Racers Ride. And that's where the club gets together and takes some of the special people out for a trail ride, like the monster truck drivers and the Bentec people and the Bentec race team. So we got to lead that. Well, guess what we're doing tonight? We're on what we call the Racers Ride. And we have a special guest in the wrecker with us today. I want you to meet Steve, who is the driver for the Bentec race truck.
Yep.
What class do you race?
We race Class 2000 out in the Mojave Off-Road Series down in Southern California.
Excellent, excellent. A little different here in the Midwest.
We have nothing close to this out there.
So we're about to head out on the trails for what they call the Racers Ride. I've got Ross with me driving Toby. And so we're gonna head out here and follow Eric in the wrecker and take these guys out for a ride. Where are you from?
Stillwater.
Stillwater.
Yep.
And who do you work for?
Bentec.
Bentec. You guys got to check these guys out. If you haven't seen their product, it's amazing. Their software is killer. And we're going to do some future videos with these guys. And as we're building the new tow truck, work with them on that. So Abby just told me she didn't think we were recording during that other one. What'd you say, Abby?
I didn't think you pressed record.
Oh, now she's the director.
Well, who's riding with us?
I'm Sean, Bentec.
Sean from Bentec.
sir.
Well, I hope we don't screw things up for you.
Oh, no, it'll be a good time no matter what.
All right, well, let's head up this hill, see what you think of this. Up here a little ways so everybody else has got room. And if you want, we can go and watch them.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Chris was having a little bit of trouble with Clifford, mainly because she forgot to air down the tires. Clifford was still at street pressure. So she backed off to the side and let everybody else go by while she aired down the tires.
So you got bumps for, right?
Yep. This I gotta be a little creative on.
I was gonna say, smaller tires
smaller tires and use the rock rails.
Counter firing?
And flat's where it's at, right? Yeah, we got 2 more rows. She forgot to air down because she was. Yeah. Well, you just bounce around like little thing. That's why it was so much fun when I was out. Went to the top of the world out in Moab.
If you run into Stan Fuller and some of them boys in the flat fender, they just make you sick with them.
Oh, well, anyways, and so here's guys out there. I'm 31. I'm baby tires. Anyways, here's guys out there with 40s, whatnot. They're probably taking the harder way, and I'm going, you have to realize that there was guys out here with flat fender, with 650, 16 tires, and they're bouncing around. Yeah.
Are we having fun yet?
We're talking about dirt biking now.
We were just talking about dirt biking.
Makes you wonder, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And it's a lot like a race car in the sense that if you drive with your butt, if your butt feels right, you know.
What do you run for tires on this thing then?
I got 265/70 Wrangler Duratrax.
Okay.
I am going to go up to, that figures out to a 31-inch tire. Well, here we go.
We having fun yet?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
Kind of feels like what we do all day. Just sit here and watch everybody else.
Right.
Good job. Are we having fun yet? Yes. You're good.
What a great way to spend an evening. Nice relaxing trail ride.
Sounds like the engine, so.
You gonna do it? You're not gonna do Digger? How come?
Because the last 2-3 times I've gone up Digger, I've ended up on the hook.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm gonna forego ending up on the hook.
I
so
forgot
I can
about
wheel
that.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
The sun was going down quick. It was going to be dark soon. And none of us had dinner yet. It was waiting for us. So we decided to head out. It was really fun to share stories and make new friends. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. Man, what a mess. Somebody really needs to clean this up.
Yeah, where am I gonna stick a Father's Day present?
Oh, here. Okay. Oh, wow. Awesome.
You know what that is?
Yes, that is an electric jack kit for the gooseneck trailer. That'll be so cool.
Try to preserve your shoulders.
Yes, my shoulders are gonna thank you.